Dude, this is lifelong 3-liter instant geyser. I got it from Amazon today and it is worth around 1949 rupees, 1949, and here it's written like this. It is sold by Cloud Tile and some of the 3 liters instant geyser ivory, 2 years warranty, net weight, gross weight, and everything is customer service, everything is written here. And here the health and comfort in your home, lifelong flash instant water heater 3 liters, and here it's written precision thermostat, thermal cutoff, high efficiency, copper heating element, neon indicator, jointless stainless steel tank, ISI. Here all are the other specifications. 2 years warranty, here it's written. Okay, let's see what. Wait. And 2 years bill. Here bill is like this. Yes, we have the bill. Here you can see what is the bill. Shipped by Amazon service, seller. Let's prepaid order. Let's do the unboxing of lifelong 3 liters instant water geyser. Let's see. Mother is opening it. Cut this. Look at this. The geyser will be like this. So opening this, the geyser will be like this. What is the box inside? The box contains just a material warranty card and screws for fitting it. Look at this. We got it. Atle vetko. We have warranty card and we have some of the screws fitted inside it. Just opening it. What are there inside this 3 liters instant water geyser? Nothing there, only warranty bill. Only we have 6 months extended warranty here. Share your experience and lifelong water heater manual, instruction manual. And here we have 2 screws to fit the geyser, and 3 liters wall mounting template here. Means we need to fit the screws like here one and here one, and the water geyser is like this. Water geyser is like this. Water geyser look like this, and there is no pin. There are only wires, 3 wires given. Why? There is no connecting pipes, inlet and outlet pipes. Nothing is there. Here we can see the pressure valve manual. This open this rubber band. Here we have one rubber band fitted for this cover. Instant water geyser look like this. This is okay. quality assured. And here are the inlet and outlet, and warranty void if the seal is tampered, written here. Warning. Adi peshe. Here is the wire look like this, Ati. Here is the wire, very small wire. It's written caution before switching on, ensure water flows. Flows from the outlet. అంటే ఇది ఎక్కడిది?
దాన్ని పెట్టినారు ఇది
ఏదండి?
దీంట్లో పెట్టినారు
దాన్ని కదా. Here one cap is for extra fitting. I don't know. This cap is where to fit. It is do not. So written do not. Do not. Something is written. Do not disturb. Do not disturb one box. Here we have the specification like this. Closed, 3 watt rated. Pressure, it's not a 8 pressure. You can see here clearly it's a 6 MPa, means 6 bar pressure. So Amazon is doing fake by selling it as 8 bar pressure, but it's a 6 bar pressure. 0.6 MA means nothing but 6 bar pressure.